Breaking news from OpticsPlanet. Almost 2 million people have signed up to storm Area 51 on September 20th. We caught up with 4 brave individuals who all have a different strategy to make this raid a success.
It looks like they're bringing in the aliens now. So looking at everyone's plans, they suck. Good thing for you, I brought OPMOD gear. So I'm gonna give everyone some gear, and if we work together, I think we can get those aliens out of there.
Bro, I got this.
Is that?
Kyle, I got this one.
I mean, that's
Now I gotta save an alien and a Kyle.
Ninja runner.
Wasn't fast enough.
Too slow.
Wait, man. I've got a spare gun.
This one's mine. Finally.
That guy was stoned.
Thank you. Holy, it worked. Well, there you have it. The raid was a success thanks to the OPMOD Area 51 raiding kit. Go to OpticsPlanet.com and get yours today.
Available now, the OPMOD Area 51 kit! All for a low price of $9,171.56. Fend off intruders with the Gerber Strong Arm Fixed Blade Fine Edge Knife, yeah. Ooh, that Team Wendy LTP Exfil helmet looks nice. Curls for the girls. Or how about you try our limited edition OPMOD Strike Eagle Rifle Scope? Careful now, careful. The OPMOD Area 51 raiding kit is not a real raiding kit. Do not raid Area 51. OpticsPlanet is not responsible for alien abductions. Actual retail price may vary. The OPMOD Area 51 raiding kit is sold only at OpticsPlanet.com, your leading online destination for gear.